Just a real quick short video. Sorry, my camera is starting to deteriorate and it's getting blurry. Quick video to show I have final placing for the blow off. It's been welded on aluminum to aluminum quite well. It's fitting in right there. There's the air temperature sensor, intake air temperature sensor, threaded in properly and sealed with Teflon. Now I haven't put the clamps on, of course, because that whole assembly is going to have to come off to plumb in the fuel lines properly, and probably some other little wiring that needs to go in there when Colin's working on it. And I utilized the vacuum for the transmission, which is no longer going to be in use because it's going to be boosted. So, and used that to run the vacuum line as tidily as I could underneath there, and then to the blow off valve. So back away here to get a perspective of where that is. Running here, under there, to there, and then of course the air temperature. Now this is the bottom half of the air box, which I have set up a system of clamps in there, which makes the air box, when bolted down, push this portion of the charge pipe right into the throttle body tight, so that when it's compressed it will not pop out and it will seal. At least, of course, that's the hope. Now, yes, of course, I don't have the pipe or hose clamps on there right now because it's going to have to come off again. Just making sure I'm fitting everything in properly. That's where I'm at now. And I do have another challenge. I'm not sure if I'm going to figure this out or leave it up to Colin. The reservoir for the radiator did fit right there. Obviously you can see that it can't be there anymore. So I may have to reposition it somewhere around here. That hose splices into that hose originally up there, and I might have to replace that either down here or maybe on this side. I'm unsure yet. I'll either let Colin do that or let him give me some advice on where to put it.